of this project is to make a fully integrated BI platform in Power BI that includes creating visualization and dashboard for an organization that has data in two data sources, QuickBook and Airtable. So the QuickBook contains data like transaction detail, customer details, invoices, bills, etc. And Airtable contains some custom databases which contains Google ad data, Facebook ad data, and some others data. So for getting the Airtable data into Power BI, I have used the web source connector using the Airtable credential. But although there is a connector from QuickBook to Power BI, but this is in beta phase and it is not working well. So I have made a data pipeline in Python for extracting the data from QuickBook and writing it to Airtable by creating a new database. So for accessing the QuickBook API, I have used this Python QuickBook library, and for accessing the Airtable API, I have used this Airtable Python wrapper. So this data pipeline extract the data from QuickBook and writes the data into Airtable, and then using the web source connector and Airtable credential, I'm getting this Airtable data into Power BI. And also this data pipeline code is deployed in client's server, and it is running every night, and it is updating the data from QuickBook to Airtable. Now let's move over to the dashboard. So this is Facebook ad analytic dashboard. This includes some KPIs like impression reach, total link clicks, budget, etc., and some line charts. And there is two filter. You can select the Facebook ad account from here. You can also select multiple selection, and you can also select the range. So based on this two filter, your all dashboard will be filtered out like this. I have also made the same for the Google ad dataset. I have also made the visualization and dashboard for QuickBook data that is coming from QuickBook to Airtable, and then from Airtable it is coming to Power BI. So this is company's profit, revenue, spend, profit margin KPIs, and then some line chart and bar charts. And there is again three filters: transaction date, range, and business, and class. So you can select these three filters according to your requirement, and the whole dashboard will be filtered out based on this filter. I have also made this dashboard for organization payroll tracking. So it includes KPIs like total payroll, average rate, total payroll time in hours, etc., and some histogram chart like payroll time by employee name, etc., and average daily pay amount for employees. And again, there is three filters that select date range and name. This is employee name and entity they belong to. So according to this, your whole dashboard will be filtered out like this. Now I have uploaded all this dashboard in company's Power BI service account, and have set this scheduled refresh time. So so that if any changes in data in QuickBook or Airtable, so the same will be reflected in these company's Power BI service account dashboard. Hi, this is Firoz Mohammed from Blackcoffer. I work as an intern here. It has been a great experience working. I have got the opportunity to work on various projects across the globe, and also interacting with the global clients. My learning curve has been smooth and increasing since I joined this company. I have learned many new tools and technologies. Apart from this, I have also gained a sense of professionalism and a clear view of what it means to be in the professional world. Overall, I would say learning by doing has been my key point while working as an intern here.